so that's having some like same thing going on.
Okay. Yeah, kind of in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is it? It like hurts pretty bad.
Where do you rotator cuff?
Oh.
Does it hurt if I do that?
No, it doesn't hurt.
Look at this side. She hasn't even got a new person yet.
Oh, really?
Yeah. She starts at 3. Yeah. Yeah, wow, you're so scary.
I'm not scared right now. I had a bad weekend.
Oh, yeah.
Just
Let your belly relax. Good.
And so, yeah, this morning, like, I didn't eat for the longest time today. Just right before, yeah. So much watermelon.
Yeah, well, that's because it's all
water and
you know?
sugar.
Yeah. Good. Just get your neck quick. Rip off.
That's right.
Oh, it looks so rough.
Nah. Have you ever been adjusted? No?
You never have?
I don't think I have.
I'm a little bit rougher with her just because
I can handle
yeah,
it.
she's been getting adjusted for a long time.
Oh.
Honestly, I think getting my neck adjusted is the best feeling in
I
the
know,
world.
it's my favorite. This left side is so tight.
Left.
Okay, sit on up. I'm going to adjust the shoulder too. Go that way. And then chicken wing. On hip. Do you remember this one?
Yeah.
Okay. So push a little bit into here. No, this way? Yeah. And then on 3. And then crank it back. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Do this one too. Might as well. Yeah, same thing. Push a little bit. And 1, 2, 3. Nice.
I did it right, that's why.
Yep.
Thank you so much.
You bet.